Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new video here on Aviation Quote. Today's video is not an episode of the Aviation Daily. The Aviation Daily episode is coming out later today. But before that, I have some breaking news from Airbus. The first Japan Airlines Airbus A350-900 is here. The aircraft has finally been painted and it is now wearing its final livery. And wow, I know you guys are looking at the photos right now. And well, I'm just speechless. This is such a good livery. I'm not a big fan of the Japan Airlines livery because it is just too much white, but this livery on the A350 looks so nice. There is a sticker on the back that says Airbus A350, and I think it's fantastic, to be honest. This is the first of 18 Airbus A350s for Japan Airlines. The aircraft has a test registration FWZHF and will be delivered to Japan Airlines in June of 2019 with the registration JA01XJ. So I'm definitely hoping to see this aircraft soon. It will fly domestically on Japan on flights from Tokyo to Hokkaido in the north of Japan. Anyways, enjoy the photos and I'll see you later today on another video. Goodbye.